Hi, my name is Kenny. I'm from Southern Maryland, retired veteran from the Navy after 20 years working on aircraft. I recently obtained my 107 certification as a result of purchasing a drone on Air 3 from DJI. Love the thing. It was almost like love at first sight, seeing the images and the imagery and what it can do. But I also realized the limitations of my newfound freedom in that I could very easily get into trouble, which led to my 107 certification to keep myself out of jail uh, and from getting a big, hefty fine. What do I get the most? What prompted me actually to start the check out the Drone Command, obviously, was their Instagram page. Um, had my doubts about whether I was going to get some value out of it, but I decided to give it a try just to expand on my horizons. I've been doing research for the last 2 months on all the possibilities and new career fields and job opportunities. The market is just waiting to blow up on the options. People only see the images and everything else, but the opportunities are endless. And what I've picked up so far on the first half of the first day of today's seminar is that there is an ecosystem out there that the drone boss has put together and assembled where they can cooperate and share each other's talents, know how, uh, ideas, solution to problems. There's teamwork. And I'm a firm believer that teamwork makes the dream work in terms of progression and growth and finding solutions to a problem. I'm looking forward to seeing what else they have to say and share with us, and to the possibilities of how this might pan out. It's definitely been an interesting concept so far. They piked my interest, and I'm seeing see what else they got that can help me grow my experience and into hopefully launch a drone business and a very successful drone business. Um, I'm hoping to be able to take this onto not just my own growth, but to the current generation of students who have a hard time deciding what do they want to do with their lives, because a lot of them want kind of like an easier job. They don't know what to do, and they have a hard time deciding, whether are they going to go to college or not, and everything else. And they want to be able to do things without having to work for somebody else or deal with too many people. So it's a way to show, younger students an alternative of not just a job but a lifestyle, and also to give people that have a drive, that inner fire to succeed and push and grow. Because some people, when you give them the tool, they'll run. You give them one tool and they'll make a city. So I'm really looking forward to basically handing out not just the tool but toolboxes for people to help themselves, families, and other stuff. Either as a drone boss, myself, learning and applying the knowledge the drone boss is sharing with us, or by uh, sharing with others so they can learn and grow as well. If I was to describe Damon, knowledgeable, experienced, um, down to earth. That's about it for now.